Okay, I taught you guys a nifty way to remember what you do when you're trying to find percent of change or percent of growth or percent of decrease or error or whatever. I told you that it's cool. And the C stands for the amount of the change. The first O stands for over, which of course in math means a division bar. And then the OL stands for the old amount, or you can think of it as the original. See, it starts with an O and ends with an L. Or in the case of percent of error, it's the accurate amount. I know that accurate doesn't really go with OL. If you come up with a better way to remember it, I'm all ears. So anyway, we're going to find the amount that the numbers changed every single time. And that's going to be our top number in our division problem, because remember, this means to divide. So from 24 to 96, if you subtract 96 minus 24, you get 72. So in this case, it's going to be 72 is on the top, and then on the bottom, it's the old weight. That is last year's weight, which would be 24. In part B, we have a change. We can do that in our heads. 60 to 68 is a change of 8, so that would be 8 over the, in this case, accurate amount. So the accurate or actual amount is 60. And here we are going from 95 down to 76, which is a change of 19. And it's over the old or original amount. The original amount was 95. Okay, so hopefully you have these three division problems. The one that's going to give you the most trouble, I would think, would be A. Because when you divide 72 by 24, you get a whole number, right? Remember, every single time that we get an answer here, we have to then move the decimal twice. So if we wind up with an answer like 0.03, we would move that twice to be 3%. However, if you wind up with like the answer of 42, you've still got to move that decimal twice and fill in the blanks here. That would be 4,200%. Seems pretty high, but things like that can happen. I mean, you can have a 4,200% jump if something's really, really taken off. So that's just my little reminder here that after you've done the division problem on your calculator, you're definitely going to want to remember to move that decimal twice.